lots of spots. He's your favorite ocelot. Let's give it up for our friend Trash. Our next friend calls the rainforest of Africa his home. He's big, he's furry, he's everyone's favorite jungle percussionist. Everyone say hi to our furry friend hails all the way from Madagascar. He loves long walks on the beach and warming his tummy in the sun. Everyone put your paws together. Feels at home in the world's rainforest. He loves animals. He loves magic. He loves the color green. Let's put our hands together for Yellow.
I'm Yellow. And boy, are we going to have fun today.
And now, let's give a warm, jingly welcome to your favorite tour guide and rainforest friend, Bixby.
Welcome to the Rainforest. I'm Bixby, your Rainforest tour guide. And today, my Rainforest friends and I are going to take you on a magical journey through the tropical rainforest. So, let's hear it from my Rainforest friends. Once again, who will be joining us on our adventures today. Thanks, friends. We'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye for now. Now, I just have one question to ask all of you. Are you all ready to begin your adventure? Sorry, you probably weren't able to hear me. I said, are you all ready to begin your? Great. Well, Allie has traveled here in this packing crate. Now, she is long and darkly colored, and she has a tongue that has a slit at the end, kind of like a fork. Well, never mind that. I do want to introduce you to my friend Allie. Oh, look, here she is now. Everyone, this is Allie. Everyone say hi, Allie. Now, Allie is a baby, 1-year-old Burmese python. As I mentioned, Burmese pythons can be found in Southeast Asia. Also, Burmese pythons can be found naturally in the jungles and swamps of India, southern China, and the East Indies. Now, as you can see, Allie is darkly colored, made up of brown, black, green, and white scales. These dark colors provide camouflage for the snake, allowing her to hide on the forest floor. Now, speaking of the forest floor, I also was able to bring another friend with us today, all the way also from Southeast Asia. I was hoping you all wanted to meet him. Would you like to meet my friend Venture? Everyone, this is my friend Venture. Say hi, Venture.